Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto macaroni. Boil macaroni until al dente, reserve a splash of pasta water, and cool basil while preparing pesto. Toast pine nuts lightly to boost flavor, then pulse with garlic, salt, and parmesan. Slowly stream olive oil into the blender for a silky texture. Toss hot pasta with pesto and a little pasta water, adjust seasoning, and serve with extra cheese and lemon zest. Start by washing and thoroughly drying basil to avoid watery pesto. Pulse basil with pine nuts, parmesan, garlic, and a pinch of salt until finely chopped. While blending, slowly add olive oil to create an emulsion that remains a bit textured. Taste and adjust with lemon juice or extra salt if needed. Keep some pesto chunky if you want texture, or blend smoother for a creamier coating on the macaroni. After draining pasta, immediately return it to the pot and add reserved pasta water to loosen the surface. Add pesto gradually, tossing gently to coat each piece of macaroni evenly without crushing the pasta. Adjust consistency with more pasta water or olive oil if needed. Plate the pasta and finish with lemon zest, extra parmesan, and cracked black pepper. Serve warm with a side salad or crusty bread to complete the meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.